Hi guys, in front of me is OPPO Find X6 Pro and let me show you how to block a number. First of all, enroll your phone dialer. Now select More icon and choose Block and Filter. Okay, let's just go with all the setup, and now all you have to do is tap on More icon, mark Block and Filter again, and customize it however you like. So let's just activate, obviously if you want, auto synchronization with the cloud. Then if you will open block list, you can smoothly add it here. Okay, let me do it one more time. Just tap on plus icon and enter a number manually, block by prefix or select some number. Then you can also create an allow list if you want. And here, when calls or messages are blocked, you can manage either to be notified, not notified, or notify for non-block list numbers. So that's how block and filter feature looks on this device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.